Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2-inch lift, Goodyear DuraTrack tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling, cup holder storage in the bottom, right next to the speakers. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with a chrome accent handle. Moving on to the seats, you're going to have the 40-20-40 bench split seat with driver adjustable lumbar. Very comfortable. Left side, you're going to have your trailer mode as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive and your lighting controls. And onto the steering wheel, you're going to have the black emblem, pretty basic though. Left side will be your cruise, and as well as your forward collision alert. An all analog odometer here, and everything is accessed through this dial. You can see pretty much all of your vehicle information, including your economy, as well as your maintenance gauges, your follow distance indicator, and so forth. It's going to be push to start, classic column truck shifter, and the infotainment system. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot. You can also download OnStar and navigation if you'd like, and you can also access your rear camera with Hitch guidance as well. Just the classic climate controls there, and you're also going to have lane keep assist, auto stop, as well as hill descent control, 2 USB ports, as well as a 12-volt and an AC wall charger. And right here in the center console, right on top of the seat, lots of extra storage inside as well. Lift up the seat, storage under the seat as well. Pull it back down, just find the tab. Passenger side's manually adjustable, that same finish. Same door with a chrome handle, the double glove box as well. You're gonna have speakers on each side with some storage up top. And here you can access your reading lamps as well as your OnStar and SOS. So you're gonna need blacked out 18-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear DuraTrack Wrangler tires, your Z71 badging, the black hood scoop there, the black mirror caps and door handles as well. Trail Boss badging in the back with the tonneau cover, the corner step bumper, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. There we go. Goes right back down. You're going to have 2 LED lamps as well as around 12 bed tie downs and an AC wall charger. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, you're going to have the paneling, cup holder storage in the bottom, right next to the speakers again, power windows and the chrome handle. Hop in the back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation in the back here. You're going to have storage under the seats, lamps up top, and the handles on the side there. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, tow hooks, Goodyear DuraTrack tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.